Welcome to Easy Go Life, where we simplify digital success, explore cutting-edge tech, game-changing marketing hacks, and more, crafted to inspire and empower every generation. Let's innovate and thrive
Welcome to the
together.
fifth installment of our Learn Website Designing and Development from Scratch series. So far, we've explored the building blocks of web development, HTML for structure and CSS for style. Now, we are going to bring it all together and create something truly functional, a basic web page. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of combining HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build a simple, yet fully operational, web page. Think of it like constructing a house. HTML lays the foundation and walls, CSS adds the paint and decor, and JavaScript brings the house to life with smart features like lights that turn on when you enter a room. We'll begin by setting up the structure with HTML, creating essential elements like headings, paragraphs, and links. Then, we'll apply CSS to make everything look polished and professional. Finally, we'll add interactivity with JavaScript, enabling dynamic features that respond to user actions, such as buttons that trigger alerts or content that reveals itself with a click. As we go through this process, we'll also focus on best practices for organizing your code so it's clean, efficient, and easy to manage. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete, functioning web page and the knowledge to build more complex sites in the future. So, let's dive in and start building. To create a fully functional web page, you need to combine the power of three core technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML provides the structure, CSS adds the visual style, and JavaScript introduces interactivity. By bringing these elements together, you can build a web page that is not only visually appealing but also responsive and engaging for users. In this section, we'll explore how to integrate these three technologies to create a simple, yet effective, web page. To build a web page, you'll use HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. Imagine building a house. HTML is the foundation and walls, CSS is the paint and decorations, and JavaScript is the smart home features like lights that turn on automatically. Combining all three lets you create a complete and functional web page. HTML is the backbone of every web page, providing the essential structure that defines the layout and content. Whether you're creating headings, paragraphs, or links, HTML tags are what turn your ideas into a visible, organized format on the web. HTML provides the basic framework of your web page. You use HTML tags to create elements like headings, paragraphs, links, and images. Once your web page's structure is in place, it's time to make it visually appealing with CSS. CSS allows you to control the appearance of your content, from colors and fonts to layout and spacing, transforming a plain structure into a polished and engaging design. CSS is used to make your web page look nice. You can change colors, fonts, sizes, and layouts. For example, this CSS changes the background color of the page, the color of the heading, and the color of the paragraphs. With your web page structured and styled, it's time to add a layer of interactivity using JavaScript. JavaScript breathes life into your site, allowing users to interact with elements like buttons and forms, and creating dynamic features that respond to their actions. From simple pop-ups to more complex interactions, JavaScript makes your web page more engaging and user-friendly. JavaScript lets you add interactive features to your web page. For example, you can create a button that shows an alert when clicked. When the button is clicked, it will display a message. As you build more complex web pages, organizing your code becomes crucial for maintainability and efficiency. Adopting best practices in code organization helps ensure your projects are easier to read, debug, and update. In this section, we'll explore effective strategies for structuring your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, including separating files, using comments, and maintaining consistent naming conventions. Implementing these practices will streamline your workflow and set you up for success as you tackle more advanced web development projects. Keeping your code organized makes it easier to manage and understand. Here are some tips. Separate files. Keep HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in separate files. For example, index.html, styles.css, and script.js. This helps in maintaining and updating your code. Use comments. Add comments in your code to explain what different sections do. For example, consistent naming. Use clear and consistent names for your classes, IDs, and functions. For example, name a class main header rather than just .header. Indentation. Properly indent your code to make it easier to read. By combining these elements, HTML for structure, CSS for style, and JavaScript for interaction, you can build a basic web page. Organizing your code well will help you as you create more complex web pages in the future. In this video, we have covered the essentials of creating and styling a web page. We began with the fundamental HTML structure, learning how to use basic tags and elements. Next, we delved into CSS, exploring various ways to style our web page, including inline, internal, and external styles. We also introduced JavaScript, focusing on syntax, variables, functions, and handling events to make our page interactive. Additionally, we demonstrated how to manipulate the DOM to update content dynamically. In the next video, Introduction to PHP, we'll dive into the basics of PHP, a powerful server-side scripting language used to create dynamic web content. We'll start by exploring what PHP is and how it fits into web development. You'll learn how to embed PHP code into HTML, work with variables, and understand the basics of PHP syntax. We'll also cover how to handle forms, work with server-side logic, and interact with databases. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in PHP and be ready to start building dynamic, data-driven websites. Don't miss out on this essential step in mastering web development.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more exciting content on tech, inspiration, and lifestyle, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Got a topic you want us to cover? Drop a comment below and let us know.